Smile. Ow. Brayden, you're on camera.
He's on
Oh,
video.
lovely.
You're recording him.
I'm trying to record him, but he's eating my phone. Brayden. Oh, now he's like in the couch. Smile.
He's bumping into things.
Smile.
Okay, now where are you gonna bump into?
Brayden, where are you going? No, don't fall. Smile.
That way, no.
Brayden, smile so we can see your teeth. Oh, bumped you in the head. Oh, goodness gracious. That was cute for the camera. Brayden, smile. Oh, so cute. You're stuck on your fingers. That was cute. Brayden, smile. Katie, you want to come say hi to the camera?
What?
Come say hi. Back up a little. Back up. Okay, stop with the face. Smile. Okay, if you're not gonna look at brother likes you. You gonna do a cute smile? Do a cute smile. Nope. Brother likes it. Brother thinks Katie's funny. Is that your sissy? Make Brayden laugh. Make Brayden laugh. Make Brayden laugh. They're very cute. Can you make Brayden laugh? Make Brayden laugh. Do your boo thing that you do with him.
Okay.
Why do you keep running away?
I'm trying to get him.
Do it. It's okay, keep doing it. I'm trying to make him really laugh.
Okay.
I get you. I tickle you. I tickle you. Tickle. Tickle. Hold on, I'm making him laugh. Tickle. Tickle. Sissy getting you. You gotta jump down, he wants to get to you. Alright, say bye guys. Say bye guys. Say bye Brayden.
Now we need to look at the Hazel pictures.
Say bye Brayden.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. He's waving. Say bye. Beautiful Katie.